Hey Jeremy, this is Scott with Impact Latent SEO. We spoke earlier and I wanted to shoot over this quick video showing some tips and tricks that you could do in-house to help bring in more business using your website and Google Business Profile. I would appreciate to hear your feedback from you about the video, and I hope that these strategies are helpful and educational for you as well. So here's your website right here. I do like your logo, how you have the wind blowing around the roof. That's pretty awesome. And it's always great to have different ways to form submit or convert a customer right on top. Click to call, contact us. So that's really awesome. And just kind of looking at your website though, one thing I'd really recommend for you is to increase your content on your homepage. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And that is usually things found in Google searches. So, you want to have a roofing and then an area. So roofing and then Mesa, Arizona. And those are what I call buyer intent keywords because they have both a service and a location. And the other thing you can also do is if you save all your images correctly as the alternate text, instead of it saying download.html here, you could save it as, roof or Phoenix, and that would count as content because it's embedded behind the photo for you. And I did go ahead and put your website into a tool I use called Ahrefs. This will kind of give me your analytics and show me where you're setting. The DR is the trust that Google has for your website. This is on a scale of 100, and I recommend keeping this number continuously moving up. You're currently at 16 trust with Google, and that's due to your backlinks and referring domains. And it looks like you know what a backlink is, but just in case, it's when one website links to another website via a clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to avoid the spammy backlinks and go after the more authoritative ones by staying relevant to your industry and also your location. And also, looks like you're being indexed for almost 300 keywords, and you're getting roughly 65 people to your website each and every month. That's pretty decent, but it could also be improved on. And by implementing these strategies, both your organic traffic and your trust are going to go up. So if we look at some of the keywords that you're being indexed for, express roofing, that's great. That's 500 searches and you're getting 40 people to your website for that, and you're in the 4th position on Google. That's really awesome because that's the name of your company, but it's not exactly a buyer intent keyword. Looking at some of these, roofing Mesa right here, that would be a buyer intent keyword. There's 300 searches. You're getting 0 traffic to your website because of it, because you're on the 3rd page of Google. Those are the type of buyer intent keywords that I'd recommend trying to get ranked for, because those are the ones that are going to be driving customers to your website, not just people. And when I say customers, I mean buyer intent. So, looking up Roofer Phoenix right here, this is just, the first page of Google. And right here you get your Google guaranteeds, and then you also have some local ads right here. And this is a great way to generate business quickly if that's something you're looking for. But being up in the Google Business Profile is really where you want to be. It's okay that you're not here, but I would strive to get into the Google Business Profile, and there's so many ways that you can get up here. You could start by constantly be adding reviews. You could make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet so you don't mislead Google. And posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly is really beneficial because it shows Google that you're growing your business organically. And then adding citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number, into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp is helpful because Google's like a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you more. And that's not only in your area down in Phoenix, but in your surrounding areas as well. Scottsdale, Glendale, Mesa, and Gilbert. And then being up in the Google Business Profile will generate about 30 to 40% of your online traffic because people click right here on the website really conveniently. And then we move down into the organic section. And this is what I was talking about when you are on the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, or 4th page of a Google. I don't know the last time you scrolled all the way down and hit next, but not a lot of people do that. So if you're not on the 1st page, you're missing out on a lot of the traffic that can be going to your website instead of your competitors. So for this particular keyword, it looks like Lions Roofing is one of your top competitors. And if we go to their website, it's a clean looking website, with click to calls and get, contact us. So ways to convert a customer. But But looking at their website, I mean, they have a decent amount of content, but I mean, nothing that you can't have more of. And so by implementing these strategies here, when you start having more content with those better buyer intent keywords, and just to let you know, if you do, it looked like you had different service pages, but you want to be ranking for those different buyer intent keywords in all the areas that you service so that you can be found for in more Google searches. So when you have more content, better keywords, and then the authoritative backlinks and citations, you're going to start to outrank your competitors. And just to kind of give you an example of the search volume that people are looking for in just Phoenix alone, there's roofing companies in Phoenix, there's 800 searches. Roof repair Phoenix, 400. Phoenix roof repair, another three. And as you can see, there's just a massive amount of searches, and these are each and every month. So when you start to outrank your competitors, a percentage of this total volume is going to start going to your website instead of theirs. And a percentage of the people going to your website will start to give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So I really hope this video was beneficial for you, and I would appreciate to hear your feedback and thoughts, Jeremy. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.